Stroke, it's not a joke. A silent twist, the silence broke. About to fall.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. And first, I'd like to thank you all for supporting me and all who have been praying for me during my difficult times with the stroke that I was having right now. I'm getting better now. It's no longer very wobbly. Before I could not do this, it's shaking, but now it's getting some improvement. And I'd like to thank you all for your prayers, for your support for me, and to all who've been following me and sharing this video to others to encourage them that there's always a way to do. There's something that we could do when we have sickness and especially with stroke, and it's the mindset for recovery. But today I'm also happy that I have this. I fixed this one already. I did my best to shorten this so I could bring it out from the room, because it's in the room and it's quite calm, and I could not bring it here. So when I try to do something and try to speak to you and try to show you something, I have this one. Some of my stuff also are here inside. I can open this. I like my books, I can read it. At the same time, if I want to explain something to you, I can show it in this board. For example, the square. This is like a magic square, like this. Make a square. Okay, that's it. Yeah. So now I'm going to put digits here. We only have 1 to 9. So excluding 0, so we get only 1 to 9. And if you are going to add everything inside the square, the digits inside the square will give you the same result. So how do you solve that one quickly? You get a 1, and it's a cycle. So you need to put 2, but there's no more square. You drop it here, 2. Then you go that way. Oh, but it's nothing here, so you drop it here, 3. You cannot go there because there's number here, so you put it here, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Where's 7 going? You cannot do that, so you get like 6, you go here, 7. 7, and you go there. If there's none there, so you drop it here, 8, and you go up and you get 9. So if you got this 4, 9, 2, you add it all together, you got 15. Okay, so you got 4, 5, 6, add it all together. What's that? Yeah, that's 15. So if you add it all together this way, going this way, that one is 15. Everything is 15. Everything is 15. So these are like miracle numbers. I'll be speaking more of it, but just to show you that why I made this one, so it will be easy for me to explain it to you. Like if I'll be talking about time, how long time, I'll just make a because and a long time and a short time. Okay, so we got a symbol like a line. Yeah. But time is not like it's not linear, you know. It's like flexible and everything, you know. So you can bend time. You can shorten time and you can make time longer. And correspondent with it is the miracle numbers. Like the one I'm showing you here. 3, 5, 7 years. You get, how much is that? 15. Everything is 15. So it's very easy. So you just make the number in cycle. Yeah. We can do experiment together, like I'm going to make something. So I made this one. And behind this, behind this one is, so I'll show you, a mirror. I put a mirror here, so yeah. So this mirror is a reflection of, it will show the reflection of what you're doing. So if I want to play my guitar, so I just have to look at the mirror, see my reflection, and I will know the improvement of how I look like, you know. Yeah, because I need to re-practice again. I need to recover from the way I played before, because right now I'm having a stroke, so my fingers are not working very well. But there are already improvements. It's not very. Sometimes I'm so lost every time I see the sparkles in your eyes. Baby, take me high, far beyond the skies. Baby, baby, take me high. Very good yet, so I'm going to practice my guitar and watch myself in the mirror, reflection. Yeah. I also need to practice the violin, which I used to do before, but slowly. Slowly we'll be getting there. So I have the mirror here, and I can flip it around. This.
In the shadows I found my way. When the world felt heavy, you chose to stay with every prayer.
So we have the discussion there.
In the darkest moment, you were my sky. Thank you for the love, the light you share, the strength in you.
Before I go forward, I'd like you to know that from the bottom of my heart, I'm greeting all of you Happy New Year. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing my videos, and thank you so much for those who subscribe, who like it. Thank you so much. And those who are supporting me with this one, thank you very much from my heart. Thank you. And let's go on to let's continue the video, so you can watch me how I did this one. I put it on hyperlaps because if I put it on natural, recording, it would take forever, like very long time. So I put it on hyperlaps so it will go quickly and I won't waste your time. You can see, that's how we do it. Because while doing this, I was having my functionality is not very good yet. So it goes slow, very, very slow. Yeah, so I have to do it slowly and don't do it alone. At least there's somebody watching you. If you have a stroke and you try to push yourself, and because if you do something, naturally it will build up, your something in your brain, your plasticity and everything, your movement. You will remember things, how you do things, and it will build up, and it will give you the something that you could remember how your hand will be working, automatically, and then you'll see your improvement. Like for me, before it's difficult for me to move this arm like this, but with the help of the PT, your physiotherapists, they come and they try to give you instruction, and you just go with the exercises. Like if they ask you to lift weight, you keep doing it, and also do a simple project that you have that you can do. Whatever you used to do before, try to do it again, and then just slowly. And then you will go from your recovery. Of course, don't forget to pray. Pray to the King of the universe. Pray to the God. I'll be explaining more about God. There are many things that we need to know about G-O-D, God. I'll be explaining more of that later. From to this board, it would be easy. Okay. Anyway, cheers everybody, and let's go on to the video. Check it out.
Love is my anchor, I'll forge ahead. A testament of hope where dreams are fed. A stroke, a word, shook my ground, but I'm a fighter, I won't back down. Through shadows, I'll stand tall. The strength inside, conquer it all. So here I am, ready to face. With every challenge, I'll find my place. From stormy nights to brighter days, this journey of love, I'll pave the wall. Started on a Sunday night, feeling deep, ready for the fight. Star resigned, a raging sea. Find my way, just wait and see. I'll weather the storm, I'll rise above. With every heartbeat, I'll choose love. Stroke, a word, shook my ground, but I'm a fighter, I won't back down. Through shadows, I'll stand tall. With strength inside, conquer it all. Working the Tesco, the day was loud. The bustling crowd felt so proud. But in my head, a different beat. The rhythm steady, strong and sweet. When the doctor spoke, it was words that ground. But I'm a fighter, I won't back down. Through shadows, I'll stand tall. With strength inside, conquer it all. Given, I'll find my strength where I begin. With love as my anchor, I'll forge ahead. A testament of hope where dreams are fed. Stroke, a word, shook my ground, but I'm a fighter, I won't back down. Through shadows, I'll stand tall. Strength inside, conquer it all. So here I am, ready to face. With every challenge I'll find my place. From stormy nights to brighter days, this journey of love I'll pave the wall.
It's not a joke, a sudden twist, the silence broke. A battle fought on the edge of life, through shadows deep and endless strife. Oh, we rise, we fall, we find our way through the night. Listen to the day, a journey marked by tears and rain. Holding on, we'll find our place. A wave of fear, it swept me away, but I found strength in the light of day. Each little step, a victory won, with every heartbeat I'm there, but done. We rise, we fall, we find our way through the dark. Listen to the day, a journey marked by tears and rain. Holding on, we'll find our place. Through the valleys I'll learn to soar. With every challenge I'll be reborn. In every struggle there's hope to see. Together we'll write our own symphony. Oh, we rise, we fall, we find our way.
Thank you so much for staying with me up to the very end. And before I go, I'd like to express my warmest greetings for you for the new year. Happy New Year, everyone! And the Christmas is over, so maybe I'll show you a few dance rephrase that I have during the Christmas. But right. Rephrase that I have during the Christmas, but right at the moment I'd like to say happy New Year to everybody, yeah, to all of you who've been with me, and see you on my next video. And thank you for following my stroke journey. And what more could I say? God bless you. And cheers, everybody. God bless you all. See you next time. Have a great time.